magega ekyo bagoteba keirire okugendera guchandika kwabo
that is going to give dignity to his voters.
Umurai wense William Ruto komochia bachumbe bagokane finance bill bunatiba bwatie kirenge kiasaba Kenya.
Will ensure that host communities in Turkana and Garissa benefit from additional development support. It will also promote peaceful coexistence between refugees.
Serikali nebwate mirobere yoko enekia batami bakonyekire o enekiri mo Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi. Mwancho murigereria yamunaenda mange ngukwarganire ngumanya senchira ere yobwikirano heretariane Everline Osero tukubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekya buna wekeire asensemo yebimanyiriro ngukwarganto ya chaka senchira ya bene awase umusacho ya masereta za karibusire oyo bwate oborema kurwase county Nyamira korende okore mirimo yogosone bikoroto nabayigoko nyamache nigabereka weso kya nakwerera amakongo y'ekigenjo ao ayo bagenderete wetera buna abantu bali NOBOREMA ukwana negetase cya Ndizi TV nigo Zakaria berega kwerera una abale NOBOREMA babere bakwebwa asegekege tambe kubairira barabwo gucandika nabo nigaburire serikali kuriyenjera nako bayinyora asoko bakonya bali bonsi babwate oborema nigasanga no muri kyoito kurwese county ya Nyamira anki
Maira yogosomwa we budget nigaba Kenya bagenderetse kwimurunganeria okonga kubugima asabale NOBOREMA batsatigiri maega
ekene pyo kurwaiga asetware kurumaiga iganjarengi kuyake lakini yaiga bona asetwaikeire uchumi na bera nkongu sana
njoira egetambo kerio gotalera egatia bali NOBOREMA astomirana no mogaka oyomo asamarieta Zakaria bosire ensemo yomochie onyamira oyole NOBOREMA bugotara
ubugima bwane inchoborema rubwane tariona enaibore tukindebo ekera najo gukina Kenyora na bonde nkeancha uno muntu onde bwensi na bwato mongina lakini agachaga siraga kwa agantigira abana batatu
nato erabuna ogukina gwekerengo kyobugima koireire abale NOBOREMA gutwara obugima obokongumono
twetware ngotebyo murayuri okorukwa Ruto agera obugima batubekeire igabege tobugima bono borengaine no muntu gutara na magorori buya egente kene na bwenete kuri kuramanyanga abantu mbara bare maru bare chinyumba bachandete banga unanje abande bakoraranjara batari konyaranjera yo kwenda no mugondo hanyo andonsi usakore biasara irageri
aseboigo atera egatia makungu bagwetera ase obonchereria
obure mu butore oboro asokore business barusie bangoro lakini ekerengo taka kwagacha na nchase mbwene takobera nande igokonyora abantu batumwe kuru obisi ya nande bazaito kunkani ngate bwene titi mbwene tikwaga inche nkweyagachira lakini nande mbatagiti akorukwe serikali abanyasiasa mbali na acha na ntwe no enekere tukugani koira ibirenge byita sebare igokonyora abari kyobisi ekero gwaikire isiko yobisi igire koroba iguru ekero gutuma omuntu ngakurangeri nonye no minister wose omokonyoye igo bagusiereri mbari gocha kera igure ngano omuntu koganiti no muntu omoremaru
nonya nigo niga gokora obunchereria bogosona ebikoroto nokonia amache elinde konyora omugachi oye okera richuko
kande kosie yana gosona ebikoroto yagana bingo nyara gosona korwawo ingendete gosona ebikoroto nkararinde bikoto byo kambi konyara kondageria ngareta amache ngaborie company ya amache ingaborie company ekanganchera igachega asesi egante ngabatebya iga nonta itumombekera amache bakandetera amache bakambekera igongo na konyora ndisingi 10 ekonyera
narwa esegeto gochase bali NOBOREMA gutumeka ebyego byabo nobumanyi babwate elinde konyora omugati okera lichuko
abaito baminta bale maru bateme okuremereria bari ndari nonye ngasara kandi none kuna koni nonye kwerende matunda unaya inchuguneye ege na ryaranyare koragera.
Asasa ba serikali n'abarai bande kurigereria amagani y'abantu bale NOBOREMA.
Bono nkugani tore n'intwegere tonyore ogokorerwe gasikuru ase serikali lakini nande mbatagiti bari abanyene bukamba bwenete gutwagaja n'intwazi tubwenete koba umuntu okorukwa omoremaru onyendirie kunyarekana nga aroseirie ntwe inanche yonkoro anga ondoseirie ase no bana ase kuwagurana asara asabe.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwase County Nyamira Job Maangi.
Mbia mono murikeito Job Manki asorboti ororokiranu korwase County ya Nyamira. Tukotikana nayo nigo kiombe kia National Affirmative Action Fund NGAAF inse umuroberio obwokorawa no muimerepu ya County ya Kisii dori saburi bagenderete no muroberio obwokoina na maigerio gochia sebiombe au kwene kia bunango konya kabare korwase kiombe kia sokonyora chibesa elio kwegendereria ase obonchorera nabo igo emeroberinde. Itukoria lero niga babwatani korwase kiombe kibaba gutarira Chinsemo imeye bunge nyari bari chache gati yabensemo ya bubaracho bironko nabo igo ibeno asaba korwa OBOSEMIA uchi asabanto na nene nigo baru okobori agochia se abiombe kweneke bunango ikirane bale amagani aliaganirie ase okonyeka nechibesa korwa se kiombe kyo muroberio yo nigo bagokorawo no munyakirogo bwe kiombe kyo asoro sayero Kisii Margaret Kerosi na tokumanywa no murikeito Josephat Amisi.
Una enjira yo kwenekia buna abisi yo muwimene representative me county ya Kisii mosibati dori sidonya toto onyare kobaga wikera ebyombe bono nigo ekeganja gya NGAAF isiyo botereni buaye omosibati Margaret Kerosi onyare kobaga waka ekambi ime constituency inyali bali chache
igo rero amone timu enene ko office yo mungina dori sidonya buri igo twaiga Chinsa isano twatwarire omukutano rengo muya aba menyi baibe no ward baburiria maswali batakire kumanya inga ingetambukiro kikabwenerete gokorekana elio banyore chibese chichia NGAAF twabahorokereire na kibakonyore certificate abatabwati na kibakonyenyora chikere pin number e proposal kolike constitution na kubwa mono enamberi eganiri
ase etaro eyabenenyara kobe korekana ase chiwodi agati yabo ewodi ebeno nigo abagwatani bebyombe banyara ko bagwikirana elio konyora anene amaigerio igoro ijya ikiganje kyo bya NGAAF
rero twagokire korora timu ya NGAAF ego chaga iga gotorokeria marokereria yaramaya twagokire buna ntwabanyina nande twagokire nabasaye bonsi nga company yaito ya NGAAF kabgatrane ti abantu bonsi igo nagokire ngotebyo mungina donya toto baki babambiya mono ntuanya koro yendo muneke to so mibu tumanya stoku na stogochi
tenge byombe byarenge byombe 75 ebi byachumwika aba youth disability women na family groups basomigu igoronki babwena takokora bune kiombe wekonya asama ginabo tete kwirane lyo mongina Margaret Kerosi ngambu yamono ekiagere nchera abasomi ebyombe byateba korire gasiengiya
in fact ntwa mwetenga ntonyoro murayo miyabunaye biyamana so tumera magani otosomiri igoro yebyombe nane nabaturanyara ko batokogendera ebyombe ebiri binyabo yotokonya
abanke babagwatani n'abatenene bebyombe ime constituency nyali bali chache nigo bagokera egetambukiro kyo bisi NGAAF kwenekia bunakenyere ko bagiko basegeta na koba amaigerio igoro anene yokorosie byombe
happy wiberi guru twagoke iro muroberio yo chira yese kidoro gita siritikeri abaere twatwara goseberianga toche tosirwe asenjere useyende nabo yone sana cha tokonya na itwe eka togusirwe tokonya abande bali batari gutoikira
na ende gendo kende na arode bia sana sama somo twasomirwe na Madam Kerosi na ndo mweshimiwa Doris Tonya mbiya mono aso muroberio bwate igoro muroberio muya wakoda Kisii County
nonye nabo obisi ya NGAAF isiyo buraibwa Margaret Kerosi nigo yanekirie ngane chikobe kobeke meroberio kweneke buna nyari ko bage gotarira chi constituency chonsi ya Kisii County rinde banyari ko bakwena na amaigerio
asachinga kichi gotokwetana na constituency by constituency kiagera twabekire mikakati at least twice a month nkwenda college constituency angeibere igo bono nga tukuruga iganyari bari chache ntuche togende machoge borabu ntuche togende nyari bari masaba ntuche tukabe sauti mogrango igo nga togenderete gwitanana eri abantu banyore information because twanyorete nga abantu bari gocha bategurosie kiombe batebuka benonye ni 10 inungo batu echibesa
uripatire gataseni Ndizi TV kurwa omochi utaracha yugo toka Mea constituency nyari bari chache Mea county ya Kisii eritarana Josephat Hamisi
Miyamano muri chaito Josephat Hamisi ase oroboti ururikira nukubatkana no kungusana na ukogenderete kwenekiwa ase urubebe gatie county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira anene ase ensemo ya keroka koirereki na kubekwa ase kegambiro nigobono omubungi onyari bari masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku abeire kawe soka na kugikeria enganeye anene yokogenda ekegambiro gokwana chinga kecho Manduku nigo aganirie ABARAI kurwase county ya Nyamira kubwatirana ne county ya Kisii awikera okoiwana ire kugayana enganeye libagari okwimukie getambukiro yokogenda ase ekegambiro nigatebire buna kungusana nuko igani gokora chikoreta CHISEGI ase EGESAKU kya Gusii
twatwarire okungusana no kutambe no konene gati ya keroka na Nyamira esengenjo chikaunti chetu ibere chikurwana rubebe nje natebete kurukarenga nonye tubwate emechando yorubebe ekinegenda bakabara kurangarirwa bakuru Nyamira barangerirwa getutu abaka banyari barangerirwa bayikaranse bayigwana se ebondo liyire amanga nayo kumnyoka ga uchikoti nekigambiro nokora kinga indutweka ndubwatiyo kwegena munando nyare kwana manga nayo munabarai nabagaka ba Gusii tunyolega omugusiyore Nyamira no mugusiyore Kisii bonse nabagusii bonse nabantabamo twense nabantabamo munege sakyo mugusingo siratole tuchaka mangane bina ngusiratole tuachire koti na ndo tuachire koti Nyamira ngakibona uraire Kisii county koti naraga Nyamira twisaransamo tuigwane yego sinyapi rero togosaba karoka be municipality tutu ari komite kurubuge tutu na kurunya nyari bari ebe municipality erinde kine mono bagabana baitu babere babwenda bayisaranse baturangerikia nabo baraya banene n'abaseneta baitu babere baturangeri tuyisaranse egente ke twekore tutaragenda kuchibuza
Chinga kiecho nare umuimerere bwe county ya Kisii Saburi donya bagakwa kobokenganiyo na otabuna ABARAI kurwase county chibirembe bwentego chamo na wikera okoigwana eri gotareta ogwatanika egatie Chinsa chibire.
I support my area member of parliament. Buna tebirenga onye mugo chaka kuminyokera chikoti. Onye mugo taka kogera abantu barwane. Mutaka yote ukosa nabo musweli atebete etogo isaransa totebe egente kigango chikoreta kere animosity bantu baito mbali ko chikomenya buya tikabone be municipality as per today a benefit nerororo Nyamira go sangirerie bango ya mate Kisii county toire yokobe buno muntu koru Nairobi buna ya bege tuwe kaba status ko nyagarama bagaisaransa ongo bagaisaransa boniga ekaromo ko kore binto inumu ya ige koroki bono emoko gera to chakata ko batebi how you have failed talikero ke go chakogera Nyamira genderere because is way far ahead asiki talikero ka yagerire Kisii county yagenderere when you had half of keroka ne yende yarenga half development ki amente Nyamira ratebe mwabegete chiround about mwakodete kyango bono emoku mobwate lyogi mobwate kerere lika mogo isaransa to sobe up as leaders toikeraniri chibu na ria bantu baito bako bat peace.
Omusenator Mochore Gloria Roba nigoboneso kirie na wakire koko okubwatwa wechibesa icho kirachigusira somurobero bwokugore bitamba BIOBOCHENU ase abana banyarukana baigo abasibati okwana chinga kiecho Roba nigata na chishiringi chimilioni chimi kianda na meronkene nigo cyabere chikobwatwa echiaganirie chibe chigo tumekwa buya ase ogoikiranyo bo okugorera abanyaruka ebitamba BIOBOCHENU kolengana no botaka buna bogenderete wakachia matechi nyinge nigata omurobero na nigo bagucha kuba maiso ero kwene kiabuna chibese echo tichirigo chigotumeka ase mirobere myao.
940 million allocated for sanitary towels. And I know there has been conversations around why that it's still domiciled in the Ministry of Education, because even with the manner with which it has been allocated, it is under general provisions. So there was also fears that it being under general provisions, the 940 million might not all go to sanitary towels. It can even be used for other issues, and that's the conversation that people are having. But I would like to think that the 940 million will be spent on purchasing of sanitary towels. I still think, and I strongly recommend, and I still think that this budgetary allocation should be domiciled in the Ministry of Gender, because the issue of period poverty and what we are trying to solve is an issue that is tackled under the Ministry of Gender with stakeholders and, let me say, partners such as the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Health. So I think one of the conversations that we have had with the Kenya Kwanza government is ensuring that this money is not diverted to other things, that it is actually spent on sanitary towels. And maybe that is why there's a lot of fears that if it is under general provisions, then it can easily be misdirected or used for other things. But I want to believe that the Ministry of Education understands that the issue of period poverty is a very serious issue, and that any budgetary allocations that have been put for sanitary towels should be spent strictly for sanitary towels. And that is why we are here in Parliament, to ensure that the oversight of these monies will be directed to what they are supposed to be, and that is for sanitary towels.
Togotigana nayo nigo county ya Nairobi yabeire county entangani yogo chakia omurobero bwokwena na endagera ochiase chiskuru anene chiskuru chioboroso awaso omurobero litukolia lero bo chakiwa bene ase skuru oboroso ya Roysambu imeye county yo ya Nairobi okwana chinga kiecho morai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigaine kiabuna nigara chikorwa ogosira kwa yego chiase serikali chiyo county asogo ikirania omurobero yo ase chiskuru au chinga kiecho Ruto nigabaga kubagikeria abachumbe kurwase county ya Nairobi balibagokana oweti wa kwerichichiko rie finance bill askiria teba una nigo batabwate kirenga kireki yago cyase abakenya niga gisigirire goteba una nigo barachikogendereria omurobiro bubwagachiwe chinyomba aserigorense eryo gokonya abakenya asikeria ene kirie buna nigo barabe bakwagacha chinyomba wetani chiribu chimibere asekero mwaka.
Sasa kama wewe ni mbunge umechaguliwa Nairobi na wewe unapinga ati tusijenge nyumba, wewe umeajiriwa na watu wa Nairobi, unalipwa mshahara. Wewe utaki watoto wao walipwe mshahara kama wewe. Wewe utaki watu wa Nairobi waishi mahali pasafi vile wewe unaishi. Wewe unataka wakae kwa slum, watoto wao waendelee kuhangaika barabarani. Wewe ni kiongozi ama wewe ni adui ya wananchi? Tuambiane ukweli. Which leader in this day and age will oppose a program that is going to give dignity to his voters, that is going to give jobs to the people who have given him a job, that is going to give decent livelihood for the people who have voted and pays for their salary? Mimi nimesema hii slums tutaondoa. Tutajenga nyumba 200,000 kila mwaka katika taifa letu la Kenya. Tutajenga nyumba 200,000 ili tuondoe watu wetu kutoka mahali ambapo hapafai.
Asa chinga kieche nigo muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogwa bagakogokera egetambukire kiona tayana nigo kira chikokonya nene ase okworobya chisemi ase abaorokiwa nigo Machogwa bagagoteba buna nigara chikubwatirana na ABARAI bonsi anene korwase county ya Nairobi eriko kweneke buna omurobiro yo no chikoikiraniwa ase chiskuru au.
Your Excellency, I undertake that the direction you have given as a Minister of Education, we will make sure that we work very, very closely with my brother Sakaja, the Nairobi County. We had a meeting, Your Excellency, on the 8th of this month, a joint meeting between the Minister of Education and Nairobi County, where we were able to say that we must make this work. We have 234 primary schools. We have 103 secondary schools, with a registration of 79,000. Indeed, the infrastructural development in Nairobi.
Omurai wense Dr. William Ruto ningabaga koenekia ogochakiwa kumuroberi obwechinguru chomurero yokorekana samagacho imisangirekana KICC imeyo mucho Nairobi okwana chingakie cho Ruto nigata no muroberi yo nochiko konya nene asokoreta magendere mense ya Kenya asateba yo negatie miroberi ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza erengeta sogoikrania ase abananchi nigata na nigo muroberi yo rachiko kora imichando au eyekoretwa kubwatkana nogonchoreria kwerire na nene kwenekia buna oboru gose oborose wendagira ngo chibore gokorekana asenchera ereyo bororo.
Kenya is already the 6th largest global producer of geothermal power. 6,000 megawatts of both large and small hydroelectricity potential is also on the offer. 300 megawatts potential for cogeneration in the sugarcane factories in Western Kenya is also available. 29 to 131 megawatts of biogas potential using various feedstocks. A 2 megawatt biogas power plant is already operational in Naivasha and is using flower waste from the flowers we are exporting globally. As already mentioned, renewable energy in Kenya currently accounts for 73% of installed power generation capacity. In terms of utilization, renewable energy accounts for 90% of the power generation dispatch. We are on course towards achieving our target of 100% clean energy in 8 years by 2030. Additionally, we have set a national target to achieve 100% access to clean cooking by 2028. In fact, in our budget this year, we have done two things so that we can set ourselves on the trajectory to clean cooking. Number one, we are reducing taxes, the 8% VAT on gas, cooking gas. Number two, we are also extending, on the other hand, facilities that will make it possible to reduce our cylinders from about 2,000 shillings to between 300 and 500 shillings.
Abarai ao nigo baikirana somo yegoyo gati abo muwaziri wa mungana y'obonchoreria Moses Kuria muwaziri bw'obotari Penny na Maloza nabo muwaziri otenderete Chinsa gosotereta mungana ye Chinsa chia Afrika ya mocha Rebecca Miano egati abana na gotana nigo barachie kubwatrana asogosira koleta amaunchurio imeyense ya Kenya okona chingakie cyo nigo muwaziri w'ekinguru cyo murero Davis Kipchirchir abakago kwanira emeroberio nari abwente gokorekana eriyo gokinya ensemeyo asaga niri ababwatani korwa Chinsemo au bochamo na korwa ogosira kwabo.
To enhance connectivity and efficiency in Africa energy sector, we have to expand our transmission and distribution infrastructure, build cross-border infrastructure, regional power grids, and interconnections to facilitate energy trade and foster integration and economic growth. By embracing hydroelectric power, geothermal energy, wind power, solar energy, and gradually reducing our reliance on thermal, we will create the diverse and resilient energy sector in our continent. Africa has tremendous potential in renewable energy production. Our beautiful continent possesses abundant natural resources that can be harnessed to generate clean and sustainable electricity for the benefit of all. Through our diverse energy mix, we will achieve remarkable progress in meeting our energy needs while reducing our carbon footprint and contribute to global efforts in combating climate change and creating a greener planet. We invite international partners to join us in this journey as we continue to shape a brighter and more sustainable energy.
Ekerori tukoriarero riarengeri tukorio kubainyora batami gose World Refugees Day nige serikali yense ya Kenya yabereye koenekia buna emerobero nero yokubasira abatami anena sensemo yendagira okwana chinga kicho moyegoyo imeyo mucho Nairobi mu Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi nigagania ababwatani au kubwatrana ase ogosira omurobero yo notabuna abatami abo babere bago konyeka anena soko bwatrani wasamangana au ayarengeta magendero imeya serikali yense ya Kenya.
In 2022, the government developed the Shirika Plan to provide the relevant policy and implementation roadmap. This is part of the reason why we are here today. The plan will ensure that host communities in Turkana and Garissa benefit from additional development support. It will also promote peaceful coexistence between refugees and host communities and save host centers from turning into ghost towns when refugees eventually leave. Socioeconomic inclusion is therefore a win-win proposition for everyone. Over the years, the government has endeavored to ensure that refugees participate in nation building. To this end, both national and county governments hosting refugees have incorporated refugees in their development policies and strategic plans. Kenya has been a robust participant in the preparation and adoption of regional agreements on refugee management. Among these, a New York Declaration, which came up with the Comprehensive Refugee Response Framework, CRRF, to cost share the burden of hosting refugees on host countries.
Waziri BWOKWEGENDERERIA Susan Nakumincha ritkolya lero nigabaga wikirana bosi obwe komiti eye bunge eryetenerete amangana y'OBOSEMIA irikwiranirya amaburi ko bwatkana n'obututukanu naboigo obokurumwe bwabo koenekiwa asensemo ya National Insurance Hospital Fund NHAF okwana chinga kiecho Nakumincha nigabaga kwerera aliabereka okorekana na koenekia buna wizara y'OBOSEMIA yabekire mirobero yisaine yogocha kuronge y'obokoreri ase sector y'OBOSEMIA.
And I can tell you, Chair and honorable members, it is not just these 6 facilities that were highlighted. We have a big, big problem. And one member said that how is it that over 60% of payments from NHIF goes to private facilities? Chair and honorable members, it will shock you that of the payments we made this month, after having delays from Exchequer for a long time, the top facility to be paid is one that we have suspended. And in all honesty, and I am yet to be convinced, that you will have a small private facilities doing more surgeries than Kenyatta, than Moi, than KU, all these public facilities combined. We have some small health, and it is not and the big currents that you hear about. There is a problem. And we can only solve this problem together with you members. I'm seeking your support, that you be with me on this one. Unfortunately, there are going to be casualties. But please be with me. If you are really intentional about us cleaning health in this country, we must work together.
Nigo ya soa entunde ya gatato ase bunge nene ase ogosomwa we finance bill awasa bachumbe korwase Chinsa moibere nsemo ya Kenya kwanza na Azimio bagenderete kubwatuka ebirengereryo nabo igo amaganyabo okwana se bunge nigo omurai bwabarabake ase ensemire kwamirire serikali Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya Upio Wandayi abakagoteba buna eryogo konya aso wekera lichibuliororo kubwatukana ne finance bill weika obomo bobebo korokana egati y'abachumbe bonsi ase ebunge Wandayi nigateba buna ase chingakti nyinge abachumbe babere bakubwatuka ebirengerere byabo ase nsemo ya magendero korende maunchurero tarabaga gakorokana askeri atebire buna baiseko twara obwamo nigo engakiyega magendero arabega okorekana mense ya Kenya.
The Speaker, Standing Order 131 provides that where a bill has been read a second time and before commencement of the Committee of the Whole, as we are about to do, Mr. Speaker, amendments have been proposed to it, which in the opinion of the Speaker require harmonization. The Speaker may direct any member proposing an amendment to the bill to appear before the relevant departmental committee dealing with the subject matter of the bill to present his or her proposed amendments, and the committee shall submit a report to the House on the result of the exercise before the committee of the whole House is taken. Mr. Speaker, you will notice from the Standing Order 131 that the amendments that have been proposed go to the core of the bill, and some have got far-reaching ramifications. I just want to plead with you, because we haven't been told if at all a window was provided to the Committee on Finance, chaired ably by Honorable Kimani Kuria, to undertake this harmonization process. In fact, in parliamentary parlance, it is referred to as winnowing. That would then make the work of the whole.
Omaerio bw'Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ereyo bwikiranu mbiyamuna sogochora kobanainje na mbiyamuna sibali bonstu twabwatirana kwene kiabuna wikeire asenchera yo bwikiranu ori twabwatirana korwa asense mwimenyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na nabo igolyo ene kiabuna chibichanerio gicha wikeire asenchera ya bene nigakoro kwa Petronira Mukeira na nche ngoro kwa Everline Osero ngokoneria oburigereri borobya asemero birionsi ya Ndizi TV.